Are you in your 20s or 30s and already seeing hair on your pillow, thinning at the temples, or widening part lines? Hair loss is silently exploding among people in their 20s and 30s. And no, it's not just your genetics. Let's uncover the hidden causes.
Don't panic. I'll show you exactly what's causing it, step by step, so you can stop the fall and start regrowing.
Reason number 1, chronic stress. When your stress hormone cortisol stay elevated, it weakens hair follicles and pushes them into early shedding. Did you know that stress alone can shrink your hair follicles? What starts as thinning strands can quickly become permanent loss. We see this every day. Young professionals overwhelmed with deadlines, skipping meals, burning out. Reason number 2, nutritional deficiencies. Most people don't realize how critical iron, vitamin D, and biotin are. To reverse hair loss caused by deficiencies, fuel your body. Leafy greens for iron, eggs and seeds for biotin and zinc. And if you're indoors most of the time, yes, you need a good quality vitamin D3 supplement too.
Your hair is made of keratin, a protein. So if your meals are low on protein, your strands suffer.
Washing your hair too often with harsh shampoos strips natural oils and irritates your scalp, leading to dryness, inflammation, and hair fall.
Overwashing strips your scalp's natural oils, triggering even more hair loss. Switch to a mild shampoo. Just twice. Clogged follicles from oil and dirt suffocate your hair roots. Solution: scalp detox once a week with salicylic acid or apple cider vinegar. Check your shampoo. Sulfates and parabens might be irritating your scalp and silently accelerating hair loss. Look for shampoos labeled pH 5.5 or sulfate-free. They're gentle, protect your scalp barrier, and help reduce long-term hair fall.
Wet hair is at its weakest. Brushing right after a shower causes breakage. Always detangle with a wide tooth comb once it's dry or damp.
Tight buns, braids, or ponytails constantly pull at your roots, causing breakage and even permanent hair loss if done daily. Opt for loose braids, low ponytails, or soft scrunchies. They reduce tension on your scalp and protect your hairline. Hair loss can be your body's early signal. Thyroid disorders, PCOS, anemia, or autoimmune issues. Ask for tests like CBC, ferritin, TSH, DHT, and vitamin D. These reveal hidden causes of hair fall your mirror won't show.
Lack of sleep and stress spike cortisol, which starves your follicles, leaving you with more hair on your pillow than your scalp.
Your gut health shows up here, on your scalp. Junk food and antibiotics, they wipe out good bacteria. Avoid screens before bed, sip chamomile tea, and do 10 minutes of deep breathing. It calms your mind and protects your hair from stress fallout. Using flat irons or blow dryers daily at high heat, you're cooking your strands, causing breakage, dryness, and long-term hair loss. If you've stopped birth control recently, hair fall can spike due to sudden estrogen withdrawal, and don't panic. It usually rebalances in a few months. Crash diets may shrink your waistline, but they also starve your follicles, especially of iron, zinc, and protein. And that means serious hair fall. This is your ideal hair plate, rich in protein, iron, zinc, biotin, and healthy fats. Your scalp is hungry for nutrients, not just shampoos.
When stress lingers, cortisol floods your system, and that hormone literally shrinks your hair follicles, pushing them into rest mode. Still tying your hair too tight? Ponytails, buns, and braids done daily can damage your follicles permanently.
It's called either at hair. Sleeping with wet hair, that's a silent killer of your strands. Dampness weakens the shaft and leads to breakage overnight. 10 minutes of deep breathing, daily walks, less screen time, and good sleep. These are your hair's secret protectors against cortisol. Cotton pillowcases absorb hair oils and cause friction. Switch to satin or silk to reduce hair breakage overnight.
If you shampoo daily with sulfates, you're stripping away natural oils your scalp needs. This invites dryness, flakes, and hair fall.
We're still learning, but excess EMF exposure may stress scalp cells and weaken follicles. Unplug a few hours daily. Your hair might thank you.
Without proper circulation, your hair roots don't get oxygen or nutrients. Just 5 minutes of daily scalp massage can activate dormant follicles.
Low iron, especially ferritin, starves your hair roots. It's one of the most common causes of hair thinning in young women. Don't ignore it. If your scalp is clogged with oil and dandruff, your hair roots can't breathe, and that's why your hair keeps falling. Just clean your scalp naturally with neem or salicylic acid once a week. Within 2 weeks, your follicles will start to recover. Tight braids, buns, or ponytails may look sleek, but over time, they can rip hair right from the root. Let your scalp breathe. Sharing combs spreads fungal infections and dandruff, both major causes of hair fall. Keep your tools personal and clean them weekly. Washing your hair daily strips natural oils, weakens roots, and leads to breakage. For most people, 2-3 washes a week is just right. PCOS, thyroid issues, or even elevated stress hormones can shrink your hair follicles from the inside. A blood test could save your scalp.
Smoking and alcohol reduce oxygen supply to hair roots, weakening follicles and triggering early hair loss. Clean habits mean stronger strands. Small daily steps like scalp massage, quality sleep, and sunlight wake up dormant hair roots. Be consistent, your hair will respond.
You won't believe this, but onion juice can actually boost hair regrowth in just 2 weeks.
Onion juice boosts circulation, fenugreek strengthens roots, aloe soothes the scalp. These aren't myths.
Boil curry leaves, fenugreek, and hibiscus in coconut oil. Cool it and massage twice a week. It nourishes the scalp. Avoid harsh brushing. Start your day with rose water and aloe mist to calm the scalp, reduce breakage, and tie your hair in a loose braid. Use satin pillows and massage a drop of argan oil. These bedtime habits reduce friction and nourish roots while you rest. Aloe vera not only soothes your scalp, it strengthens hair from root to tip, naturally. For strong, healthy hair, nothing beats a nutritious diet. It's the foundation for vibrant hair. Hair loss in your 20s and 30s isn't your fault, but it is your responsibility. Small changes, smart care, and real awareness. If this helped you or someone you care about, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More real answers for real problems, straight from a doctor who cares.